My name is Eduardo Pacheco and I'm a mechanical engineer at CorPower Ocean. My role is to coordinate a team of engineers that are focused on composite manufacturing. For me, this role is not just a job, it is a journey. It is a very exciting time in the renewable industry. We are constantly pushing the boundaries. Being an engineer, I like structure and order. These are the blocks to how I work. But they are also important for me to relax. I find a calmness in this. Being a family man with 4 children, it is the future that is most important. As I look out at the ocean, I see endless possibilities.